Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, 28th July 2020, and you are welcome in physics class 10th level. We have already started Unit 20 magnetism, and today we are going to learn about the magnet field between the magnets and also magnetic shield. First of all, if you look on the whiteboard, we learn that a bar magnet have this type of magnet field. It is called elliptical. Its shape is elliptical magnet field. Moreover, we studied some its properties, that these lines outside the magnet, they are started from north and end at the south pole. These are weaker, otherwise they will also be come here on the north side, from north to south. And inside the magnet, these are from south to north. And the major property of this magnet field, that each and every magnetic field line of forces, they never meet each other, they never cross each other. Even if they are million and billion, but they will be remain separate from each other. On the paper we can't draw. So if you want to see them practically, take a bar magnet and sprinkle some iron filling around the magnet, and you will see that such kind of the pattern will be there. The particle of the iron filling, they will align themselves in this form. And now we will study that what kind of the magnetic field will be there if two magnets are placed in first figure and now in second figure. If two magnets, their north and south poles are directed towards each other, and the magnet field pattern will be in this way. They will, the line of forces will start from the north pole and move toward the south. In the third case, that when north north or south south, north pole of the two magnets are in front of each other, or the south pole, because we studied the properties that same pole attract each other, repel each other, and opposite pole, they attract each other. So due to the repulsion, this design will be appear. This type of this pattern will be there between the repulsion of same pole. If it is the south pole, the repulsion design or the pattern line of forces will be the same. So this shows the repulsion. How? Again, the same practically, you can take two magnets and place the north or south pole in front of each other and sprinkle the iron filling, and you will found this type of the magnet field. Now the third case and fourth case, when these two magnets are placed parallel to each other. In fourth figure, when two magnets are placed parallel to each other, that their north poles are in front of each other and their south poles are parallel to each other. So again the same, that the line of forces, they will be generated started from the north pole to south pole. Here also north to south. inside north to south, but due to the repulsion, they will remain here. The elliptical shape will not be formed. They near about they will be straight, not 100% elliptical, but almost straight line like this one. So here also, normally if you see in the first figure that they are moving there outside here also, but here they will repel line of forces north north and south south, they will repel, and they will not move as you have seen in the first figure. Now the fifth figure, two magnets are parallel, placed parallel, but in front of north south is there, and in front of south north is there. In between the magnet field north to south will be straight. Here north to south as it is we have studied, here also from north to south, and their outside direction they will be here, lines will be in this pattern, in this design, from north to south and from here north to south. So these are the four figures that two magnets parallel placed in second figure, third figure, fourth figure and five figure. Here we learned about the magnet field while two magnets are placed together in different ways. Now the next topic is magnetic shielding. If you see the figure magnet shielding, there is a one magnet south and north are there, and along with one iron sheet is placed. Here if you see that iron sheet is there in this figure. Some problem with the cam, sorry that I'm unable to show you. So iron sheet is placed here like as I place the marker, and little distance magnet is there. So the magnet field design or the pattern will be in such a way that lines of the magnet forces, they will start moving from the north because they want to go toward the south, but in place there we have placed iron shield. So all these line, this one is the magnet iron shield, this. So line of forces, they will generate from the north pole and they will pass through the iron sheet and they move toward the south. The pattern and the design almost remain the same, but while there is iron sheet, there will be a little bit change because of the sheet place. And this way, although we have not touched this iron sheet with the magnet, it is not in contact with exactly, but it is placed in the magnet field. So this iron will also be magnetized. In other figure, if you see on the right side, that plate like disc like hollow from the center, and along with it two magnets, one on north pole and south pole. And we have studied that the line of forces, they all were always started from the north to south. So all these line of forces will pass through the this disc, but here you can see that design or the pattern will be little change. They will not move straight, they will move toward this because it have the effect of the south pole. So therefore, they will be attracted by this shield, and all the magnetic line of forces, they will pass through this disk, and they will move toward the south pole. Thank you and God bless you, boys. I hope that you have studied, learned the magnetic line of forces and the pattern, the magnet field, and the magnetic shielding. Have a nice day. Hopefully, we will see tomorrow again. God bless you.